welcome back to Polite Ranger Plays. I'm joined here today by...
Elite.
Yeah, he hasn't responded for the last few videos. But, today... Oh god. But, today's video, as you can probably tell from the... sorry, sushi burp. As you can probably tell from the title, it is Randoms Assemble. We will all be hitting random for the duration of the match. Whether you're spamming it or you hit it once. Let's see how it goes.
Let's see.
Wait.
Oh, Echo.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
This is gonna be fun, guys.
I'm not gonna have fun.
Don't forget you agreed to this challenge.
Alright, I'm back. What's happening?
No.
Okay.
Yes, yes, he has. And the echo's somehow gotten worse. It's spread to 2 people. Oh, just 1 now.
Be ready to engage.
I feel like I'm having a schizophrenic episode.
That mask is fucking dope. What do you think? It's not... I can barely play games well. But it opens like you see there. I'll probably do like earbuds or something with a actual mic.
5 seconds left.
Oh god.
Op 4 has located a bomb. Get ready to engage.
Oh yeah, no. I'll do a stationary mic, not an attached.
Okay.
God, I haven't played this for a little bit. We really stocked up on videos last time.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna have that helmet for when I start doing the webcam.
I wasn't including my audio. I forgot to do that.
God
What's
Wow.
up,
damn
Why
y'all?
not
it!
just
What's
show
up,
your
y'all?
face?
It's
Everyone make
making
sure
me
to include
dead.
your audio, please.
What's up, y'all? It's making me dead.
On me.
Alright, where at?
He's on
Why did
stairs.
they wear
It was
masks?
such a good intro. Everyone went and was doing their shit on time.
I low-key didn't either.
Yeah, he didn't. Sneaky string.
God.
Y'all. He's right here.
Yo,
Yeah,
what's up?
we
It's
also
Sneaky
have
Sue.
Yo, they're on me. They're joining me out.
You're alone.
Killed him.
They're a lawn chair. Hey, Megami, guard me real quick. Nope, keep watching that doorway. I'm gonna do a little.
Oh, I made him leave.
That way you can see down the hallway there.
They got John right there.
I think there's another one upstairs.
You
Oh,
got that.
I missed it. Oh, they're gonna kill me. It's okay.
Oh, they're not down.
Oh, they're around there, I think.
One on
Fear of my life.
stairs.
Alright, I'm pushing.
I tagged him. Take it. Damn it.
He just can't take
But yeah, it's
damage.
gonna sound like a gong when it hits that.
Oh my god, he's so low.
Oh my god.
It's dead.
You got him? Good shit, good shit. I'm EMP.
Have someone on me.
Alright, I'm coming.
They got
I'm coming.
Claymore galore on the hallway, by the
Oh,
way.
they broke the mirror.
Oh,
over
I
here.
made it leave.
Downstairs.
I'm breaking the mirror over here.
That's fine.
Oh,
she
that
broke
got
them
me.
both.
Oh, they fused on
Fused.
hatch.
Straight down.
Yep.
Yeah. That thing cracked me.
He's camping in corner? My god,
Oh
dude.
fuck.
He ran up the stairs.
15 seconds left.
On hatch.
Time expires in 10 seconds.
On the stairs, downstairs, pushing stairs.
5 seconds to go. Friendly
Oh my god.
eliminated.
Good shit.
Oh
Good
my
shit.
God.
I'm not sure that hit him, but good shit.
It did. It sees your boxes for you. It's because
Okay.
he had a left lean.
Random. Oh no.
Oh, I gotta, yeah, random. Oh god. Oh
Did
god.
you hit random?
Oh god, boys.
Oh
No.
no.
Be ready to engage on four.
Bro.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, come get your cupcakes, y'all.
I'm ready for
Cupcakes,
tomorrow.
cupcakes.
That's what I'm doing. Hello.
I'm ready for the bake sale. Time to break it.
I'm a weirdo. I'm going fishing tomorrow.
What?
Oh, that sounds
10 seconds
comfortable.
remaining.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh wait,
I
there's
don't
no
know.
spawn.
It could be a
point. I
late night.
forgot.
I'm just gonna let it go at that point. I was a failure for that one.
Bomb
No,
located.
you're
I'm
not.
still gonna attempt to spawn.
Never
point.
back
I
down.
missed the drone.
Oh, damn it. Well. Failure. I just bought Solus.
Oh, I hear repelling. Over here.
Alright.
Oh yeah, there's quite a bit of repelling. I
broke.
think they're on that one wall.
From where, bro?
At
Well, I'm fucked.
Oh,
armor
you
saved
got
me.
this.
Nope, nope, nope.
I don't, bro. I have
good.
no idea where I'm
Fuse is
being shot
downstairs
from.
and-
He's from behind
Look.
too, bro. Let's go. Like. That sledge just can't.
Hey, droning me out. Shit.
On me?
Ooh.
Sledge is in. Sledge is in.
Fuck, it's fuse. It's fuse.
Dude, that's so bullshit.
And
Op
catch
4,
me.
last operator standing.
That's so stupid.
Ah!
Oh, you destroyed my cam.
Well, that's your fault.
What? Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Wait, I can actually hear sound cues now, Zach.
Oh shit.
I can hear stepping. Bro, you don't know how mad that was making me. I couldn't hear shit last night.
He's pushing.
Oh, we're loading.
Oh, he's half health. He's
Pulling
rotating to
got
your
this.
left.
10 seconds.
No way.
Mission failed. All
That
friendly
echo's kind of
neutralized.
annoying.
Alright, I'll mute again, my bad.
Thank you.
Hello?
No.
Yeah, I think it. Damn,
Hey, your skill issue.
it was your mic.
Probably. Random. Oh.
You gotta do random spawn too, boys.
Hold up, bro. Pick that
What?
other headset over there on the other side of the big thing.
Huh?
The headset on the other side of the big thing.
That's crazy.
Oh, my.
Oh yeah, you can actually use your headset now.
Oh yeah, Mega Man.
Uh-uh.
Do you think I'd be able to get that helmet through TSA?
Friendly drone deployed. Op 4 is reinforcing
Yeah.
its location.
No. They're gonna think you're a
Yeah.
terrorist.
Nah.
No, the Baklav that's going to be underneath it will look like that. You know, you got to get the Baklav to reduce like echoing inside of it and shit.
10 seconds before.
No, what's gonna look
Some
like
kind
a
of padding
terrorist
so it
is your
doesn't rattle on your
fucking.
head.
I think it's
Hey,
firing
is
my
the echo
drone.
It's gonna be the pipe bomb. What'd you say?
Is the echo going?
Proceed to bomb's location.
No.
Testing.
No, I'm just playing.
Hello?
I can't tell. Hello?
It is gone.
I can't tell either.
It's gone.
Oh, it's
slightly-
gone.
Yeah.
W!
Oh, never mind. Never mind.
I can't hear it anymore.
So the only
Echo.
echo there's gonna be now is there's just
Oh,
We
well,
all
it's like a
shut up. We
very-
can try seeing if it's there.
you're gonna hear two of us. That's all there
Echo.
is.
Yeah, you're
Okay, so
pretty
it's
just
there.
gonna hear both me and
Cut it
Evan.
off whenever you talk now.
Where is he shooting from?
That's me shooting.
Oh, we need a drone,
One
bro.
more.
Okay.
I'm an
One's in
useless
server.
operator.
Like, where is he shooting from? It's just me shooting.
One's in this room.
Okay. Cool. Droning.
Low
Okay,
as fuck.
Solus, just can't die, bro.
One's low as fuck.
Oh, Bandit is on that window. Ranger, whatever you do, please do not stand up. Okay, and you
Hey,
start right
can
up
we
in front
get
of me.
diffuser over here? Polite.
What?
Get into A.
Oh,
Of
shit,
course, dude. I can't track anybody.
Yeah. Sure. I can get
I guess I'll find Bandit.
Oh, he just dropped
Drop down,
hatch.
just drop down.
Alrighty, I got him.
In here.
Yo.
In that bathroom here, one of them. Last one's downstairs, the other one's
Yo, there's two coming from behind.
Op 4 last operator standing. Op 4 eliminated.
Scared the
Friendly
fuck
mission
out of me.
successful.
good headshot.
Oh yeah, that person was low as fuck.
Yay, double headshot. Don't forget to hit.
Bro, I'm surprised I didn't die to the first guy.
Random. Oh.
I'm doing random until it ends. Oh,
Are they gonna
guess I'm running Ash.
Oh, mad.
I'm gonna do random while the drone
Op 4 is
goes.
reinforcing its location.
Oh, bro, yeah, random while the drone phase goes.
Oh, okay.
Our entire team just switching, bro. Oh my god.
Except for Buck.
10 seconds.
He's like,
before
no,
insertion.
I like who I am.
I don't feel like
5 seconds.
Choose your character. RC.
Oh!
Amaru.
The bomb's
Sins.
location and the
Amaru is a W.
Honestly, I'll take Sins, bro.
Sensei's a good gun, honestly.
Alright.
51
whoever takes that
bullets.
can, screw you.
Oh shoot. I'm
You
scared.
know what,
bro. There's
Tyler?
no way they're not sitting in here, bro. They are sitting in here, bro. Vigil's right there.
Nope. Okay. How? I shot Vigil in the head 3 times.
I
How many
jumped
are
the
sitting in
maggot
the
and he
garage?
barely died. No one.
He took no damage, Tyler.
One in bar.
Whenever I shot him, he
That's so
took
listen.
no damage.
I would have
Imagine
just...
that was. Oh my god, Cola. Okay.
Don't worry about
Yo,
it.
there's a frost. Yo, I'm about to plant. Yo, cover me, guys. I'm planting.
Yeah, guarding you.
He's like, wait, I'm about to plant.
Diffuser is on.
Haha, Echo, you thought wrong guy, Echo.
What, did he just crouch next to you? Well,
No,
kinda
he
I
next
just
to
shot
you.
his echo at the wrong guy.
Yeah, he shot his Echo, I think. Rain.
Oh, behind you, behind RC. Wall banging
There's also
RC.
one on the stairs. Also blue room there.
On stairs?
Yeah, on blue room.
Right there, you saw him. You saw him play.
Friendly last operator
Okay,
standing.
woo.
Hold that, wait for him to go for it. You got Capiteo, if
He's
you got
defusing.
your fire, use your fire on it.
No way, he sticks
What?
it out!
How?
Failed.
That
It
should have
doesn't do
killed
enough
him.
damage.
It really doesn't, cause like the fucking
You have to shoot. You would have it like shoot it right as you heard it, or right as he started.
I thought the fire killed faster. I swear it did.
Nah, Tachanka's does, but Capitails I guess got nerf.
Oh, that's crazy, bro.
That's sad, bro.
But I'll go and lose like all of my fucking health to it almost instantly.
Let's see. Do I want to keep spinning? Ooh, I don't know. I kind of want to keep IQ, but like,
Op 4 is
gotta
reinforcing its
gamble.
location.
Oh no.
I just don't want sins again, bro.
Well, I would say Blackbeard's a good operator, right?
I mean, yeah, he's not too bad.
No balls.
I hope we all get shields.
Insertion in 10 seconds.
But
5 seconds before insertion.
Sins
Fuck
again.
No way!
Monty
fucked.
and
This
Blitz.
is crazy.
Ah, he said
I
he-
don't run fucking Blitz.
He said he
bro.
hopes-
Blitz
we
is
get
good.
shields.
Blitz is good though. Blitz is good.
I can't reach back here. Anyone have a...
Where are they, Devin? Let's drop.
I'm going in first.
Go to stairs.
Checking
Go to
in
stairs.
case. There's one right here. One right here.
Oh, we're not on you, bro.
You have dropped
Somebody.
the diffuser.
Oh, shit.
Okay,
Damn it.
that's W.
Hey, can nobody's here? Can I get a res?
I'm coming down.
Oh, what the
Oh,
fuck? You lied to me.
somebody's here, bro? That's crazy!
You lied to me.
There was nobody coming down the hallway whenever I fucking passed it, and it's been 2 seconds!
No!
Friendly.
Oh,
Dude,
it's
I
perfectly
lost sight
fine.
of the hallway for 2 seconds.
That fucked us. The shields fucked
I'm
us.
so sorry.
No,
Dude, I don't care.
it's only because we got shields.
It's not even that, bro. I went to go shoot the Capkins and he just runs in. And I die instantly, but he gets knocked because he had his shield.
Wait, you gotta invite me back to the party. I'm pretty sure the enemy team just invited me.
Why? Okay. Yeah, nice. Give us time to invite you. That's a W.
What's up? What's up, bro? Bro, we're running randoms. We're doing a video. And our buddy, he's a YouTuber. Doing a video. So it's only
Well, I'm gonna go die real quick.
Got this, I believe in you.
We have been
Yeah,
eliminated.
that's about right.
Man.
Fuck,
This
I'm
game.
needlessly trying so hard. This is just fucking bad. Oh, thank you everybody for watching.